Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this spooky bed. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, and if your paper has color on one side and it's white on the other side, then start with a white color facing upwards. So let's start with folding our paper on a diagonal. Now that we have it, we'll fold it again in half on this line. Like this. Now we will open it and we'll fold the bottom part of the paper upwards, but we will leave a few centimeters here. So just leave it a little bit and press it down. Now we'll fold this upper triangle, but we won't fold it all at this line or in half, but here in the middle, so right about here. So that this point is going across the upper layer, like this. Once you're happy with it, just press it down. And now we'll fold these two corners of the paper downwards and align it with this line. So pick it up and now we'll fold these two corners down and align it with this line. So pick the corner up and tuck it in like this, and do the same with the other side. So pick it up, align it and press it down like this. Now we'll turn our paper around and we'll fold it on this line that we already have it, so just fold it in half. Like this. Now we'll fold this upper layer and we will align this line of the paper with this bottom line, so fold it like this. Align the lines, and once you have it, press it down. Now we will open it and we'll fold it on a line that goes from this corner down here to here where these two lines meet. So from one corner, place your finger here and just fold it and press it down really firmly. Like this. Now we'll turn our bed around and repeat the same steps. So align this line with this bottom line. Like this. Open it and follow the line from this corner to here where this line breaks. Like this. And now we'll just open it so that this side is facing upwards, and we'll fold the line that goes from here, so where these two lines meet, to here, this point where this line meets. So we'll fold it like this and we'll fold it that is facing upwards. So from this corner to this middle, or if you turn it around, it goes from this corner and almost align it with this middle line like this. So we go corner to middle and now we'll turn our bed around and we'll fold the line from here where this line meets, so this corner to the middle. Place your finger and fold it up like this, and it is parallel with this midline. So again from the other side where this meets and the bottom corner, this and press it down. And now, once we turn our paper around, we'll just fold the lines in a little bit, just like this. And now open it, and we have our origami bed. Happy spooky seasons, everyone. Bye!